80s synthwave, a genre that started around the 80s. Yeah, it's a very cool genre. It's starting to get more popular, and yeah, it's a very cool genre. I really like it. So I tried to recreate something in my own style, some synthwave. So I hope you like it. Also, according to YouTube statistics, a very pathetic small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, like 8% or something. So please subscribe and watch the video till the end, because I need watch time so I can monetize and get money. Give me money! So here's my project. Let's begin with some chords. Layer some strings on top of that. And layer a sub bass. Use these symbols as your intro. And I took just a random acapella that I could find. It took a moment to hesitate. You had me feeling more than I could comprehend. Then for the second part, add this. And I used a Minecraft sample. I don't know if you could hear that, but yeah, it's a Minecraft sample, so I thought, yeah, why not? It fits well in the mix, so just repeat that, and before the actual drop, just add a tom fill. So this is what the beginning of your song should sound like. So yeah, pretty cool. For the chorus drop, whatever you want to call it, just add another bass. And just layer it with the sub bass. Drums, pretty simple drums. Add some more chords. More chords. And a choir. And layer another bass on top of that, so it gives more power at the beginning. So yeah, at the second part, just add a tambourine loop. copy the leads from the beginning and put another kind of 80s synthesizer over it. And for the third part, layer it with the Minecraft sample. And then at the end, just random. So yeah, it's not much. It's pretty simple actually. That was basically it. So I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. I'm just gonna play the song now. So enjoy. So yeah, that was my 80s synthwave, synthpop kind of thing. Yeah, my track. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.